last one. This time calling on contestant number 7. I'm sure Jing, proud na proud si Bukal Joel Atienza.
Si Bukal Flor de Loyola.
Tama. From Calicanto, Batangas City. Aba, talagang ano.
Nagdala ng pala.
Maraming dala. 16-year-old Cristel May Aya.
To sing. To sing? To sing, then you look at me. Palakpakan po natin siya muli.
Cristel.
Hindi ako makapag-video. Hindi maingay. Wala po sa akin. Okay, maingay. Okay, maingay.
Live and die. Life is a dream. Song and the moon, then you look at me, and I always see what I have been searching for. I'm lost as can be. Then you look at me. And I am not lost anymore.
Kinakabahan ako.
People run, sun to sun, caught in their lives ever flow away. Still, it's gone. We have to go where it's going. Then you look at me, and I always see what I have been searching for. You say you see when you look at me, the reason you look like so. So lost I have been, my love again, and life just keeps on running, and life just keeps on.
There you have it, our 7 contestants.